In this vlog, we will try to see how to fetch the data and populate it in terms of a list view. So in our previous tutorial, we have seen how to fetch data and we have populated it with a static view, like we have provided a circular avatar and three text fields, and here you can see this is the output which we got. But in general scenario, we will be displaying the data with the help of a list view. So how we will make use of this data and populate them into a list view, we will be seeing in this particular tutorial. So if you have skipped our previous tutorial, I request you to go through that particular tutorial because I am doing a continuation for that one now. So while let's get started. So here you can see we have got a GetX network call implementation here, and with the help of the controller we are able to populate the data here. So now let's get ahead to our provider, and here is our JSON generator URL which we have used in our previous tutorial to fetch the data. And there we have got just some static values, and there is no list in JSON, so we have not specified any over here. And in this particular example, I want to show you how we can pass a JSON array list and populate the data here. So here you can see we are now making use of a random user here. So this is a website link from which we are getting the data to be populated. So here just copy this URL and try to visit it using your browser. It works good. This is a array list name here, results, and these are all the fields here. So we will be trying to see how to make use of this particular API and parse the list, and we will be seeing some few example fields here, and you can try the remaining. So now I am just going to remove this particular URL, and I will be specifying our random user API here, and here we have got an array list like results. Make sure you specify the spelling here perfectly, because even if you miss a single letter here, then you may not be able to populate the list successfully. So here these things we have explained in our previous tutorial, and now instead of dynamic we need to make use of list of dynamic, because we are now able to pass data which is of a type list here. And the same go to the data controller, and here instead of dynamic make it to list of dynamic, and inside data binding there is no changes for now. Until or unless you are having one more module, you can just add that particular data controller here and make it accessible. So now this code we can't use for our list, so I am just going to remove this, and we will be making use of a list view builder here. This is a parameter item builder inside which you need to provide context and also our index position here, which is of a type int, and you can specify here like index, or you can just specify I also here, but to make it easier for you to understand I am specifying index. And also you need to specify item count, and with the help of the data you need to specify the length, so that the length of the list is being determined here. So I'm just going to add a null check over here, and now we are going to return. Here I'm going to specify our list in terms of a card view here. So I'm specifying card. You can just specify a widget which is suitable for your design. So inside the card view we can specify child, and you can add a column here, and from here I think it's similar which we have done in our previous tutorial also, but now I'm going to consider a list tile here to make our work much easier. So here I'm specifying the title like text, and in our previous tutorial we have just considered data and we have specified name here. but here you can see we are getting an error. So why? Because it worked in our previous tutorial, but now we are trying to populate a list. So the first thing we require here is index. So based on the index we will be going any further here. So next we have got, so let's try to see the JSON file once. So here you can see in the 0th position we have got gender, name, location, login, and we have got a lot of fields here. We'll be discussing a few of them, and the remaining you can just execute with the help of this example. So here now I am trying to populate gender, so it will be easier for you to populate gender because it doesn't have any nested data inside it. So now let's try to run this code. So here you can see we have got a single item populated into the list view, and why? Because we have not specified. So here let's get ahead to the API once, and here you need to specify that we require at least 10 results. Try to run this code, and now here you can see we'll be getting a list of genders that is being populated to our list view. So why we have specified gender as the first parameter is like it doesn't have any nested data, and here you can see. Now let's try to populate the name here. I'll be removing this gender here, and I'll be specifying name, and inside name we are having title, first and last here. So let's specify first. So this is the format to specify. So after the name we will be specifying first here, and now try to run this code once. So here you can see we have got names here instead of gender, and when you specify last you will be getting the last names here, and this is our first field inside the list style. And what are the other options? You can just tap on the list style here. So here you have got a leading, which is nothing but you can just populate an image over there, title, subtitle, trailing. Using a leading here you can specify any widget. So mostly we can specify any circular avatar like we have specified in our previous tutorial, and we can just load our image over there. And here title, which we have specified now, and we can also add a subtitle here. Let's go ahead and add a subtitle which is of a type again text widget here, and the same way data, and the first one is index, and later I'm providing name, and now I am providing last here. So make this as first and try to run this code, and here you can see we have got our first name and below which we have got our last name. So here there are some of fields here like email, login, date of birth, and all these kinds of things. And here also we have got a picture here. So now let's try to populate a picture also and try to see this. The name here, the key is picture, and inside which we have got large, medium and thumbnail here. So let's make use of thumbnail. So now let's make use of the leading here, and now I will be going to add a circular avatar here, and inside which we will be providing a background image parameter, and with the help of network image we are going to populate our thumbnail here. So data of index, and here I am going to specify picture, and inside which we are now making use of a thumbnail image. So specify thumbnail here, and now try to save this code, and here you can see we have got our images populated to the left hand side of our text here. So yes, you need not specify the leading before to title here. Based on the list style widget itself, it will organize the data according to the parameters which we have specified. So here you can see we have got an image, a title and a subtitle here, and you can also have some more options like you can specify the shape here on tap functionality when you are tapping on this, what needs to be done over here, and mouse cursor. So these are all the things based upon your requirement you can change here. So now let's try to see is 3 line. What is this? Is 3 line enabled? So yes, we have got a third line over here. So okay, based upon your requirement you may use this also is 3 lines. So you can add few more things over here if you have any requirement based upon your design, but currently I don't require this, so I'm just removing this. This is how we can just specify the data in terms of a list view. So yes, actually it's completely based upon our previous tutorial. In this particular tutorial we are just making use of a list view builder and populating the data over here. So if you are having any queries in this implementation, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Flutter.